Hey there. I just got a package here from BOSNIANBILL. So let's open this up, see what we got. Well. Okay. Wow. A lot of them. Okay, so this is the lock I had asked him to return to me, but here we got a Slag Keyway no brand lock. Works. Looks like a 5-pinner. Then we've got a CES lock. A little bit, need a little bit of lubrication, but another Slag style keyway. Then we've got an Evil lock. Set that guy aside. And we got a dimple lock. Look at that. Looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pinner. Works beautifully. Says lock on the key. It looks like the body doesn't have a name on it. But let's get this thing clamped up and see if we can pick it. Okay, so got this locked up here in the vise. I'll be using a homemade flag pick here and a Peterson flat tension tool. So let's see if we can get this thing open. Okay, feels like pin 1, got a little bit out of him. Pin 2, got a slight click. Pin 3, got a little more click. 4, 5, nothing. Let's come back here. Check 1 and 2. Okay, now 4 again. Feel like my hand's in the way, sorry about that. Got 6, but we lost some of these pins. So 1. Nope. Okay, that was pin 2. Let's see if we can get pin 1. Pin 3. Pin 4. Pin 6. Nothing. 5, 3, 2, 1. Okay, looks like 4. Set him. 3 again, looks like. Nothing. Okay, we got something on 4 here. See if we can set him. Where is he? Go. Pin 3. Pin 5. 4, 2, 1, 3, 5 it was. Okay, well, there we go. So you can see it's picked, and there we go. Now this, it doesn't look like, I don't see there's any way to open this without trying to bend these clips out in here to open it up. So I'm assuming it has whatever in it, whatever it came with. So here's the key. Bitting. It's got a low and then pretty high and then some more low ones in the back there, but so 6-pin no brand lock picked. Okay, well, I'll keep working on these other locks Bill sent me, and in the meantime, you guys have a good one.